out to Brandy Luna. Thank you so much for joining the family. We are so glad to have you here. Y'all, today we are going to do a few DIYs. And all of these DIYs, well, y'all will find out later that it's a reason for all of these DIYs. We're gonna get to see how they all look together, the last couple of ones that I've done. So I found this champagne glass at my local DD's. I'm not sure if you all have it, but it's just a little store that sells home decor, clothing, different items like that. So I think I paid like $9 for it or something like that. I'm not sure. And I'm going to use our ever so famous diamond confetti. And of course, I've mixed the silver and gold together. I'm also going to use this bling wrap. We're going to use some Elmer's clear glue and a brush. So all I'm going to do is put some of the glue inside of the champagne glass. And I'm using a generous amount, y'all. So the gems can stick pretty good. So all I'm gonna do is take the glue and go around the glass with it. Okay, y'all, so we're going to use some of this glitter to get the spaces that are not filled by the confetti. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go in and try to clean up some of the spaces. I just wanted this gold and silver look, y'all. I'm so loving this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna let this part dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on there. But we're just gonna put some of this bling wrap around the edges. Y'all, I just got off from work, so I am so tired from, like, I did a 12-hour shift, so I am so tired, y'all. But we're gonna make this work, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and let this dry. Y'all can see I'll go back around it and kind of round it off, but I can see some of the imperfections in there, so I'll try to straighten it out. If I can't, oh well. But anyway, I'm gonna set this to the side and let it dry. So we got this cute and little simple DIY. It's so simple and so quick, y'all. This is from a previous project. It's just some of the confetti, and I used the clear glue to apply the confetti, let it dry, and that was it. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the this bling wrap, and I'm just gonna put it around the edges of the candle, the tea light candle. then I'm going to apply some of the hot glue. This is a it was a ring that I got from Michael's. It's in the party section for the the children's party section or whatever. So all I'm going to do is and I cut the ring part off, so that's why it's not flat. So I'm gonna have to let this dry and probably even add a little bit more glue. But it's just that simple. This is just a cute little simple DIY that you can place on top of, well, I'm gonna put it on top of a vignette. Well, I'm gonna make like a 3-piece vignette. So this is gonna be part of it. So let's get on into the next DIY. Okay, Glam fam, so for this project, we're gonna use our Dollar Tree glass, and we're gonna use our wrap. So I'm just gonna go from the bottom and start to go around the glass like in a circular motion. Okay, now this is how it looks so far. And what we're going to do is we're going to start at the bottom and go all the way around the wine glass. Okay, so this is how our glass turned out. Y'all, it is so pretty. I love the bling of it. I gotta clean it off, but it looks absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and move on to our next DIY. Okay, for this next DIY, it's very simple. This is a magnet container that I just got out. I should have washed it, but I did. It's just a magnet container. So I got it from Dollar Tree. So these, I ended up spray painting them gold. And I still got these. I'm gonna reuse these. I know y'all, this is so being so cheap, but I am. So all I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna use this wrap, and then I'm gonna go around the edges of the container. You have to use a little hot glue because it's not sticking the way it was at first. So Use a little hot glue to start it off. And these containers, I'm using them for something in my kitchen, some spices and everything. So they're really old, y'all, but I'm gonna try to make them look halfway decent or whatever. I know putting bling wrap on your spice containers are super extra, but y'all know I'm extra, so. But this is really just something to let you all know what you can do with different things in your home. You don't have to be, you know, just traditional with everything. You can glam up your home. You can do whatever you like because it is your home. And I'm just giving you ideas. So. Okay, y'all, so this container is functional. So I do put seasonings and stuff in there. So all I'm gonna do is put some glue on these old stickers. They're old, but we're gonna have to make them work. It's about shopping your own home. So all I'm gonna do is just put that on top of there. And hopefully it sticks. And let me just tell y'all how I do this. So for whatever seasoning I may have in here, I may have let's say red pepper. So I just write red pepper on there. And I let this dry or whatever. But I just write red pepper on there so I'll know what it is. And, you know, I can pull it off because it's a magnet. So I pull it off the pie pan. And when I do my kitchen reveal tomorrow, y'all will be able to see everything, you know, all together. Now, like I said, these are old and it's not perfect. But once you put it up there, you're going to be able to tell anyway. So y'all don't even need to be looking that deep into my stuff. This is just for ideas now. Don't come for me. So y'all, I'm gonna put all the DIYs that I did today. I'm gonna put them all together after this dry and just show you what we have accomplished today. So stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the pieces turned out. I think they're absolutely gorgeous and I hope you all like them too. So if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.